Hello. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to focus on cleaning the whole house, especially the downstairs. It's been really hectic this week and I want to make sure that the house is nice and clean, especially since the weather is getting a lot more nicer. Definitely have to do some spring cleaning over here. So follow me around on a day of cleaning and organizing and cooking. We got a couple recipes I want to try out today for dinner, so yeah. Okay, after work I stopped by the grocery store and got a couple errands, or got a couple things at the store. Strawberries were on sale. Bananas. Oh! Why is it wet? Anyways, you guys, these are the best pickles in the world. If you love pickles, you need to get these. It's in the dairy section, the refrigerated section. So good. This is like $3.50. I can eat this whole jar. Okay, next. I'm gonna make Korean army stew later this week, so I got some pork. And then this is ground coriander. This is a key ingredient that I need to make this recipe tonight. Onion, potatoes. Okay, let's see what's in here. What's this? Parsley. Oh my gosh. Mayo. This is the butter that we eat and eat on a regular basis. This is organic, earth balance. It's a vegan butter, which is pretty good. Tastes like the real thing. And then my favorite, I can't pronounce this name, but this is just a 0% fat Greek yogurt. That is going in our recipe for today. We got some lemons, basmati rice, and my guilty pleasure. Yeah, don't judge me. Okay. And then I'm gonna put it all in here. You guys, this fridge is not okay. Like, pantry is a mess. I just haven't had the, you know when you're just so busy and you just, like, I gotta put the dishes away. Oh, you guys, look. So my aunt came over yesterday and she is a florist, but she created this little piece right here. Isn't that cute? She used real branch. My aunt went to fashion school in New York and she is just an amazing florist, an artist in general, so she brought this over. How cute! It's just a mess, but what's nice is I can go outside later too. Anyways, I need to clean, so let's clean. Is it bad to mix fruit and veggies together? I don't know. Oh! I don't know why it's there. Okay. Put that away. I'm gonna need a bigger veggie basket or whatever. This is not okay. It really isn't. Spices going here. You guys want to see how messy? Let's see how messy this is. I haven't opened this in a while. Yeah, this is not good. This is not good. Whatever, it's okay. This is really embarrassing. Look at this. Fill up my grilla. Before I clean, I want to marinate the chicken for tonight. So the recipe that I mentioned earlier is the Halal Guys chicken and rice with like their white sauce. I have the recipe for it and I am going to make that right now actually. Got chicken thigh, Oh, I have to blend something. Okay. Lemon juice, oregano, coriander, garlic, and olive oil in a blender. 3 garlic cloves. I'm just going to give you guys the finished product. Put the marinade and you put it in a Ziploc bag with about 5 pieces of pretty large chicken thigh. I'm going to marinate that for about 3 hours until dinner time, and we'll see how it turns out. Greek yogurt. Cup mayo. Okay, take a spoon or half cup mayo, a little sugar, sponge. Okay, 1, 2, and just gonna squeeze this. 1/4 cup chopped fresh parsley. So I'm gonna chop this up and then put it in the bowl as well. Okay, gonna put this in the fridge along with the meat that's marinating, and then I will show you guys what it looks like when I cook it.
What'd you use your G7X?
Because it's out of battery, because I was filming on it. Hi everyone.
Hi everybody, my name is Justin and
oh shoot.
I don't have clothes on.
Honey, you've been working out?
No ma'am. Only workout I've been doing is hitting the books. Young people watching, remember to study. Study the Bible, study the dictionary. And there you will get your definition, you know what I'm saying?
Alright. How was work? How's work?
He clearly isn't getting any from her, so I think that, you know, he has to do what he has to do.
Okay, you guys, I have the chicken going. The rice is done. This is basmati rice with a little bit of salt and chicken stock. I have the sauce right here. You guys, I don't know, the sauce kind of tastes different than what I had before, so I'm kind of worried about that. Anyways, I'm gonna put this, cut it up into pieces, and we'll put it over the rice. Justin's over there not helping, of course. Honey? Honey!
Yeah. What? That's all for me? That's beautiful.
Hey, Robin.
Huh?
I'm full still.
Wow, is this
Well,
chicken
I don't
and
know
rice?
if it's good.
This looks amazing.
Does it?
Yeah. What kind of rice is this?
Basmati. Does it taste like it with the chicken? It doesn't! It doesn't! I literally followed the recipe.
It does though.
Really?
Very good.
Okay. You guys may think this is deja vu, but but it's not.
Oh my gosh, I've never had this. Let me try again.
Do you want a spoon?
Mmm.
Should this be one of our specialties for the week?
Mm. Your hair. You done?
Go ahead.
Oh, you bought Choco Tacos, you did not? Freaking love Choco Tacos.
Show them what you're gonna make.
Hi guys, today we're trying Screamin' Slicin' Pizza. My name is Justin and we're gonna get this done today. First, I'm gonna read the directions. Preheat the oven 425 degrees. 425 if you know, preheating that area.
You really that hungry? Why does it have dots like that?
What? I don't know. A pizza.
A pizza. Or chicken. Wowza. You cut it into fourths.
That's how I like to eat it. Oops.
Wow.
Is it good or not?
Oh my gosh, it's a 10 out of 10. Mm-hmm. How is it?
Good.
What do you rate it?
7.9.
Oh, don't.
Right. Hey guys, what's up? My name's Justin. I'm with my sister Jennifer. Say hi to the camera.
Hi.
And at the end of every night, Jennifer, what do I drink?
Apple cider vinegar.
Yes, and I live and die by apple cider vinegar, which bottoms done. Scrumptious.
No, honey, no, no! You already did it? Ew, don't use. Oh. Chrissy. You're in it. Jacqueline came to visit. Okay, you guys. After a long day, we're finally in bed. Honey, what do you have to say to the viewers? What? You guys, my husband's grumpy. Bye.
Bye.